Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the continuation of the AP of the I.C.S.E board, that is the ML Agarwal, ML Agarwal I.C.S.E. The edition is 2025. 2025. This is the 9.2 actually, and the sum number is 18. Okay. So clear? This is a continuation of the AP from the email Agrawal 2025 edition, the book suppose, and the exercise is 9.2. First I write down the sum 18. Sum number 18. If the number, if the number numbers, if the numbers, okay, if the numbers n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n minus 2, 5n plus 2, 5n plus 2, okay, 5n plus 2 are in AP, are in AP, okay, no problem. AP, then find, okay student, then find the value of n, okay, value of n. So this is a question, just you solve it, you know all these formula, no problem at all. Dakho, if the numbers these are in AP, so you know the format of AP, the first term, the common difference, and this, from this way you just solve it. So this is the books from the Emil Agarwal 2025 edition. Exercise is 9.2, suppose 18. So let so this is an AP, that means first you find out the common difference. So D actually, this is 4n minus 1 and this is n minus 2. Suppose this is D1 and this is D2. This also the common difference. So this is 5n plus 2 and this is 4n minus 1. Why I write D1 and D2? Suppose this is an AP. So this is A1, A2, A3. So this minus this is the common difference. Suppose this is D1 and this minus this also the common difference, D2. So in case of AP, this already says that means the common difference are same. Just you solve it first here. So D1, actually D1 is equal to D2. Okay. Now what is this? This is the 4n minus 1 and this is minus n minus plus 2. That is, there is 3n plus 1. This is the common difference from here. This is the common difference from here. Okay. This is 4n minus n, 3n, and this is plus 1. Here is the common difference is 5n plus 2 and this is minus 4n minus plus 1. Here is n plus 3. So this is also the common difference. If this is an AP, that already says, that means the common difference D1 is equal to D2. Just you put the value. D1 is 3n plus 1. That is equal to n plus 3. No problem. No problem. It's clear. From there you calculate, very easy. So 3n minus n is equal to 3 minus 1. This is the 2n. 2n is equal to 2. So what's the value of n? 2 by 2, 1. You get the answer. Very easy. Don't be panic to see the sum. তোমরা ম্যাথস গুলো দেখে কখনো প্যানিক করবে। You know all these things. তোমরা সব জানো. Is a confidence in your mind. So just you solve and your brain is open and confidently you do the sum. But be careful, the calculation, the silly mistake is certain often. So I also got the silly mistake. But be careful of the calculation. So what's the value of n? N is 1. No problem. Clear? No problem at all. So this is the sum. Okay. Clear? Okay. So just I go to the next sum. Okay. So this is first Ravi. Okay. Clear? Okay. So this is the sum number 18. Just I write down the sums already. So that will be time will be saved. Okay, no problem. So this is the now the sum number 18 of the same books. This is 18 and this is the 19. What is the sum? What is the sum? The sum of three numbers. The sum of three numbers. Okay. The sum of is the sum number 19. Okay, 9.2 sum number 19. The sum of three numbers in AP. AP is 3. Okay. And their product. And their product. Product is minus 35. Very good. Minus 35. The different types of sum. Find the numbers. So find the numbers. Okay. So this is a sum. No problem. First, you know the sum of the three numbers. Previous video we just discussed when the three sums in an AP. So you take in this way. The middle is A. Common difference is D. The previous sum is this. The next sum is A plus D. This is the rule for the when the three numbers are in AP. So the middle term you just get A. This is actually the first term. So previous sum, the common difference, you just take D. So A minus D. And here is A plus D. Suppose first term is 5 and the common difference D is 2. What is the previous sum? A minus D. So 5 minus 2. Okay. And what is the next sum? 5 plus 2. So ultimately this is 3. This is 5. This is 7. 3, 5, 7. So in this way you take. So solve will be very easier to you. Okay. So here solve will be for that reason we take. Okay. So this is this. Okay. Now common difference. The first term, very important. First term is actually A minus D. Common difference D. Common difference D. So three terms when this is A minus D, A plus D. Actually, you write the middle term is A. First term is middle term. Middle term is A. You take. Okay, from there. You take. Now, here is a sum of three numbers. These are sum of three numbers are in AP. So, sum by question A minus D plus A plus D. Okay. This is 3. This is 3. Minus D plus D count. So, 3A. 3A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 by 3. You get A is 1. You get A is 1. You get A is 1. Now, the product is there and their product. Their product, very important. Their product. That means A minus D into A plus D. That is the product. Product is minus 35. Minus 35. So, you just put the value of A here. What is the value of A? A is 1. So, 1 minus D. This is actually 1 and this is 1 plus D. That is 35. Oh, sorry, minus 35. So, now this is A minus B, A plus B, actually A square minus B square. This is minus 35. So, if you just cut shift is here. So, this is 35 plus 1. That is equal to D square. So, D is actually root over of 36. So, plus minus 6. Very important thing. This is a plus minus 6. It's clear. So, A you get. D is also you get. But the two values are there. Plus minus 6. One is plus, one is minus. One time you take plus 6. One time you take minus 6. Yeah, just put the value. Just put the value. When we take D is equal to plus 6. Okay. So what's this? A is 1. A is 1. A minus D. So here is 1 minus. Here is 1. This is plus. So ultimately this is minus 6. And this is 1 plus 6. So what is this? Minus 5. 1 plus 7. Minus 5, 1 plus 7. This is the first when you take D is 6. যখন তোমরা D টাকে plus 6 হচ্ছ, then put the value. First A is 1, you write A minus D. So this plus minus minus 1 minus 6 minus 5. 1 and this is 1 plus 6, 7. Okay, one answer is this. Now the other answer, when take D is minus 6. D is minus 6. Be careful. This is A is 1. Now D is minus 6. That means A minus minus 6. Okay. And this is 1 plus D is minus 6. So now this minus minus plus 6. This is 1 and this is minus 5. So what is the ultimate answer? Ultimate answer is this is 7. This is 1. This is minus 5. Okay. 7, 1 minus 5. 7, 1 minus 5. It's clear? Just you see. 1 plus 6, 7. This is 1 and this is 1 plus minus minus. So, this is actually 1 minus 6. So, this is minus 5. Okay, for that reason. Clear? So, 7, 1 and this is the next is minus 5. So, two answer. 7, 1 minus 5. Clear? Okay. Very good sum. Clear. Okay. Clear? For in this way, don't be panic to see any sums. You know, confident in your mind, তোমরা পারবে সবকিছু, তোমরা জেনেছো. Just to put the value in the proper place. Just think in your brain certain the sum of 3 numbers. So for that reason, you take 3 numbers in order. Why? Because the calculation will be very easier. If this is the middle term is A, before the common difference is D, A minus D, 1 is 1 plus D. When the sum you get all D is this out, so 3 is equal to 3, A is equal to 1. For that reason we take. Okay? Clear? So this is for today. If you just understand, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Next day, next video, I will upload the further sum. Okay, thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.